Greetings, guys. This is your guy here, your homeboy, Akidre Michael. And today we are going to be talking about how to make deposits on your PU Prime account. First of all, when you log in into your account, when you are using the web version, for example, you're logging with Chrome or any other browser, this is how the platform, the home screen, will look like. So, but before I continue, I want you to ensure you like the video, follow my channel, share it with your friends so that a lot of people can get information about this wonderful platform. So here you can see we have accounts, we have deposits and promotions, and the account balance here is showing 0.00 USD. So you just click on deposits and then you wait for it to load, and after loading you will see the account here is telling you that this is an empty 5 cents account. This is where I want the deposit to go. Now you can see amount here to show 2,000 to 99999 to infinity USC. So it means here that the minimum amount that you can deposit here is 2,000 USC. Anything less than 2,000 is not going to work. For example, you see what it's showing here. So you make sure that this 2,000 USC is US dollar cents. So we divide it by 100, you will get $20. So in dollar it is $20, but in US dollar cents it is 2,000 cents. So you now proceed. If you want to make a deposit of $50, this has to be 5,000. If you want to make deposit of $100, it has to be 10,000 USC. So just like that. So you click on continue. So depending on the deposit method you want to use, there are different deposit methods that are available. Okay, we have credit card, we have local banks, we have cryptocurrency, we have e-wallets and offline transfers. So for cryptocurrency, you see USDT BEP20. For credit or debit card, you see USDT TRC20, USDC BEP20, and so on. For example, now we want to use our local bank transfer. We have two options. The first one is Nigerian Instant Bank Transfer, and then the second one is Nigerian Local Bank Transfer. So for us to make deposits here, we choose the second one, Nigerian Local Bank Transfer. Why? Because this one allows you to upload, the second one allows you to upload your proof of payment, while the first one does not allow you to upload proof of payment. You need evidence to show that you have made a deposit. That's why we recommend the second one. So when I click on continue, it will take you to a place where you will see more details about the transactions. You see where you have the option to upload receipts, right? Then you see the bank details, the bank name, account name, account number, and this is the amount you want to deposit, and this is the total amount, 27,680 naira. That's 27,680. So once you click on pay now, but before you click on pay now, just copy this address, go to your app, make your deposits, and after making your deposits, take your screenshots, come back. Very important, do not forget. You see, this is your account details, pay to account. This is what you are going to write on your description. Write your account details, your PU Prime account details as description of the transaction. Put your account details as description. It makes it faster for deposits to be confirmed using Naira platform. Then you now click on, after uploading the screenshots here, you now click on pay now. Okay, so do not click on pay now when you have not paid. Okay, then after doing that, you now click on pay now. It will now take you to, once you click on this pay now, it will take you to the home page waiting for it to reflect. So make sure you have done the needful before clicking on pay now. So I'm going to show you the another method, which is cryptocurrency. Or if you guys want, I can show you this instance just for education purposes, for you to see that it doesn't give you the option to upload. You see, there is no option to upload proof of payment, so that's why we don't recommend this. So I go back and then I'll show you cryptocurrency. So you can choose BEP20, USDT, TRC20, any of the cryptocurrencies. These are all the options that are available. Even BTC is available. You choose. Then, for example, I want to choose USDT, this one here, BEP20, and I click on continue. It's going to give me an address to make my deposit. You see the barcode, you can either scan it or you copy the deposit address. You already know the amount is $20, and then you make your deposit. After that, you can click on pay now. So that's just about it, how to make your deposits. It's as simple as that. So it doesn't take time. In about 5 to 10 minutes at most, it has reflected in your account. So that's it for now. Thank you. And then in my next video, I'm going to show you how to trade, how to open positions, for example, limit orders, entry points, take profits, and stop losses. So don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to follow my page. Akidre Michael is my name once again. Have a wonderful day ahead. God bless you. Bye.